The American crow is a highly intelligent and adaptable bird, widely recognized by its glossy black feathers and distinctive calls. Found throughout North America, these birds are a common sight in a variety of habitats, from rural farmlands and forests to urban cityscapes. Known for their remarkable problem-solving skills and complex social structures, American crows have a rich repertoire of vocalizations that they use for communication, both within their groups and with other species. The most common sounds made by American crows include cawing, a loud, harsh caw sound, which is often repeated in a series. This is the classic crow call and can vary in tone and rhythm. Rattles, a series of short, rapid clicks or rattling sounds. These are often used in social interactions or as alarm calls. Honk, a nasal honking sound that is less common but still part of their vocal repertoire. Purring, a soft purring or cooing sound, often used in close interactions with other crows, such as during mating or while feeding their young. Imitations. American crows are known to mimic the sounds of other birds and even human noises. This ability is not as developed as in some other birds like parrots, but they can still produce a variety of imitative sounds. These vocalizations serve various purposes, such as communication within the flock, warning of predators, and establishing territory. Each sound can convey different meanings depending on the context and the crow's behavior. That's all for today. If you like this type of content, I would appreciate it if you liked this video and shared it with others. Have you ever heard an American crow imitate someone's sound? Write in a comment. Hear you soon.